taking good care of very expensive farm equipment is a good idea. Rinse your sponges out, store them accordingly. You won't have to buy new sponges every time too. Crap stuck under the foot pad. Great design there, Cub Cadet. That won't lead to rust. All right. Do that at least once a year. When you wash your mower, you're not only washing it, you're also scanning over it for problems. Like there's a switch missing here. I don't know where that went. I might cap that off. You know, I saw that there's dirt under these foot pads. So before that starts rust, I'm gonna pop them up and clean out under those somehow. And I noticed there's a tear in the seat. That's been getting a little worse. So we're gonna go ahead, and the best thing really for that is to fill it with a little silicone and then put some Gorilla Tape over it. And then once the silicone dries, you can peel the tape back off. But other than that, for a 10-year-old mower, this thing looks pretty nice. It's in good shape. Yeah. And we're going to degrease the motor when I do an oil change, but that's in about another 2 months. I'm not going to do it now because I'm going to take all that apart, and it'll be easier to clean it when it's all taken apart. So, for now, it looks pretty. All right. Hope you enjoyed watching me sweat. It's 83 degrees here. Peace.